Rush is a ghost town located about 16 miles south of Yellville, Arkansas in the Buffalo River National Park. While zinc mining in Arkansas has dried up, its history lives on in the ghost town of Rush, the only standing remnants of the industry that once dominated the area. Prospectors originally came to the area for what they thought were to be silver deposits, which were discovered to be zinc. It was soon one of the most prosperous cities in the state, and during World War I, Rush was the center of the mining industry in Arkansas. At the end of the war, as zinc prices declined, so did Rush. Mines closed and the population began to disappear. In 1972, Rush was officially declared a ghost town and became part of the Buffalo National River Park system. Unlike other mining cities in the area, Rush still has original buildings, mines, and other structures, all of which are cared for by the Park Service. There is a trail that will take you to the more remote areas of the town and mines. Please bear in mind that the mines have been abandoned and are dangerous. The Park Service does not allow entry into the mines themselves.
Hi, I'm Gary. I'm one half of the RV Hobos, along with my wife Debbie. Today we are bumming around in Rush. We are bumming around in Rush. We are bumming around in Rush, Arkansas, a zinc mining town that is a ghost town at this time, which became a ghost town in the early 60s, I think it was. I'll check on that for you. Anyway, folks, let us show you around what's going on around this little town. Hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell to be alerted when our latest videos are posted.
To get to Rush Historic District, take Highway 14 south from Yellville, Arkansas. After about 10 miles, there will be a sign that clearly marks the left-hand turn to Rush. Turn there and follow the road to the Historic District of Rush, Arkansas.
Some of the old buildings here in Rusk. These are right at the entrance of the town, city limits, I suppose. Cannot get into these structures because they are dangerous, they say.
Although you can't go inside the structures, I did have an opportunity to peek through the windows of a couple of homes. The general store was not accessible.
The Rush Mining District. Stopped at a little parking area here to look around. Say hi!
Hi, everybody.
Looks like a pathway down there. Sign says Rush, the town that zinc built. No sign saying where this leads to, so I thought I'd go up a little bit. This is called the Rush Mountain Trail. Let me go just a little bit and 200 tons a day out of these mines. Behind us here, there is a mine. Fence is up. Suppose you're not supposed to go back there. Yeah, but what the heck? This is a way to a little mine, I do believe. Let's take a look out this way. Oh. Interesting formations. Looks like a no man-made rock wall. Yeah. We're pretty high up. Looks like that's about the end of the trail, but interesting formations. Interesting, there's an old building here. No mining building. Oh, this is the company store. An office is what the placard says. Wow. Let's just walk over and see what we can see. Imagine it used to be a bustling place up in this area. One more placard I'm gonna look at before I get back to Debbie on the other side of the mountain here. Break it, remake it. Wow. Such a neat place.
The 10-acre Hicks property is located at the center of the Rush Historic District. We didn't walk through the site to explore the partial stone walls of the former store, nor to discover the low concrete and pebble curbs of the flower beds, which we read about, because it was just too grown up. It looked as though this part of the property was not taken care of. Indian legends of lost silver mines drew prospectors John Wolfe, Bob Setzler, and J.H. McCabe to Rush in 1880, where they spent months tunneling for silver. The men had a small rock smelter built, firing up its first run in 1886. That run produced a spectacular display of zinc oxide fumes around the stack of the smelter, but the expected silver did not collect in the sand molds at the bottom. The discouraged prospectors offered to trade their holdings, with the smelter thrown in, for $2.50 worth of cove oysters. Their offer was rejected.
Oh, another trail back that way. I must explore. Another placard back here. This is one of the trails that we had a picture of earlier. Don't know which one it is. Not going to go too far. But to this placard we will go. See what it says. Oh. This placard shows where the general store, the mill, engineer store, doctor's residence, company manager house, Morningstar Hotels, smelter. Very interesting. Although nothing in the background except for woods here though.
Hi everybody, we just finished our tour of Rush and it was well worth the trip down here. We enjoyed touring looking at some of the old buildings, going across the water that fed the town, and it's just a really neat place. I would encourage you, if you're ever in the area, to just come and visit. It's really neat here.
However, it's 91 degrees today, and as you can tell, that little trail I took, that's about a 2-mile trail, and I went about just maybe 1/8 of the way up through there, but it was pretty interesting, but just too hot, and I wasn't going to go no further.
Well, we'll come back though in the fall. We already talked about coming back and going and taking some of the trails. What are you looking at me like that for? You're going.
I'm going.
He's going.
I'm going. And I was looking at you in a loving manner.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Folks, thank you very much for bumming around with us today. We hope you all have a great day today, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
See you out there.
See you next time around. And this place, Rush, is just outside of the little town of Yellville, Arkansas. I said, Yellville. Oh, nice echo.
Thanks for watching. Down below in the comments section, leave us a comment. Tell us what you think of our adventure today. We'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, tap that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for bumming around with us today. Safe travels, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.